And welcome back to Shell Freedom Over Texas. You know, every year we look forward to hosting this for all of you, and we look forward to seeing so many of our friends and neighbors coming out here together, and they come multiple generations because it really shows the fabric of our community, and we get a chance to think about the central issue, and it's not just song and dance and music and good food. It is freedom. It's our nation's independence.
That's right. We are celebrating America's birthday. Did you know that it was back in 1776, the day when our country declared its freedom from British rule by adopting the Declaration of Independence, which brings us all together.
Yes, 248 years later, this is what we do on July 4th. We all get together, no matter where our great-great-great-grandparents came from, and we celebrate freedom. And one of the ways that we do it is by looking toward the skies and enjoying fireworks.
Throughout America's history, we have stood united when faced with extreme challenges. Houston has experienced its fair share of adversity, and each time, the resilient heart of Houstonians has persevered. Tonight, we dedicate this show to Houstonians and our first responders for their selfless acts of kindness and heroism in our time of need. Let us remember lives lost and renew our commitment to one another. God bless Houston, and happy birthday, America.
Mr. Worldwide, let's show the world how powerful love is.
Now let's spread love around the world.
Round and round we go, waiting for the wind to blow. As we walk the streets alone, only love can bring us home. Weaving powerless and blind. That's right. But tomorrow we'll be kind. Let love guide us through the rain. Forget our yesterday. Only
Only love can conquer all the mountains when the cold makes the warm again. Only love heals a broken heart. We've been through it all, girl, came through the storm again. Find the joy, let go of the past. Love invade your walls like a Trojan horse again. Can't give up, won't give in, find the strength from within. Ask yourself, can you lose my heart again?
I know you're hurting, but baby, let my love set you free. I'll never let you fall. Let's go, girl, you can trust in me. Forever in my eyes, you'll always be the one for me. I'll always love you until the end of my unity. Love brings us together. Only hands, put your empty hands in mine. And scars, show me all the scars you hide. And hey, if your wings are broken, please take mine so yours can open too. 'Cause I'm gonna stand by you. Oh, tears make a lot of scopes in your eyes. It hurt, I know you're hurting, but so am I. And love, if your wings are broken, borrow mine so yours can open too. 'Cause I'm gonna stand by you. Even if we can't find heaven, I'll walk through hell with you. boogie woogie bugle boy accompany me. He puts them boys to sleep with boogie every night and wakes them up the same way in the early ride. They clap their hands and stamp their feet, 'cause they know how it goes when someone gives them a beat. Whoa, whoa, he breaks it up when he plays double lead. The boogie woogie bugle boy accompany me. I run, I do it, deep low in the heat of the bar. Yeah, Kim blowing on my bass and guitars and whoa with him. And we got each other to leave us early. He's a boogie woogie bugle boy accompany me.
I'm just trying to be a father, raise a daughter and a son, be a lover to their mother, everything to everyone, up and out on bright and early, I'm all business in my suit. Yeah, I'm dressed up for success, from my head down to my boots. I don't call in sick on Mondays when the weekend's been too strong. I just work straight through the holidays, sometimes all night long. You can bet that I stand ready when the wolf growls at the door. Hey, I'm solid, hey, I'm steady, hey, I'm true down to the core. And I'm an American soldier, an American. Beside my brothers and my sisters, I will proudly take a stand. When liberty's in jeopardy, I will always do what's right. I'm out here on the front line, so sleep in peace tonight. American soldier, I'm an American soldier.
Well, I've always been the girl with stars in her eyes. Now they're saying there's a hole in my apple pie sky, but I just keep looking up. They say we're slipping down that slippery slope. Hard to hold on to faith when you're losing hope, but I ain't giving in to giving up. So yo, here we go, American dreaming, free falling, free wheeling. My brothers and my sisters, y'all know this feeling, yeah, 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 yeah. Somebody loving, somebody leaving, but it's the same blood. We're all bleeding, we are looking for something to believe in, worked for all my life, and I had to start again with just my family by my side. I thank my lucky stars to be living here today, 'cause the flag still stands for freedom, and you can't take that away. And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died and who gave that right to me. I will at least stand up next to you and defend her still today. 'Cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA. And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died and who gave that right to me. I will gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today. 'Cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA.
Shell Freedom Over Texas is sponsored by Shell, Dr. Pepper, Bud Light, and the City of Houston.
We are joined now live by our sponsor, title sponsor for the night from Shell USA, Travis Torrance. Good to see you back here. And, of course, our host for the evening, his first Freedom Over Texas, our mayor, John Whitmire. So good to see you here, live and in person.
Gina. We're all fired up right now after the fireworks, and I can't think of a better place in America to observe our country's birthday. So thank you, Houston. Thank you, the sponsors, and I'm all fired up right now.
You know, some of our neighbors in May suffered a lot of damage to their homes from storms. So when you are here tonight and you see the lawn blanketed with people, what are your thoughts about the people going through tough times?
Well, tough times, we need an event like tonight to bring us together like only Houston does. But tonight, everyone's a Houstonian. We're not worried about party affiliation or which community we come from. We all come here together to join for a common purpose of enjoying the evening.
Yeah.
And I'm so proud to be the mayor of a city that can set all of our challenges aside and just really celebrate this special occasion.
You're right, everybody coming
And
together tonight.
Thank you for the sponsorship.
Yeah, speaking of sponsors, you know, our title sponsor, of course, is going to be Shell. So, Travis, that's where you come in. I mean, of all the events that you all do, what makes this one so special, and why this one?
Well, let me just say that Shell USA is so proud to be back as the title sponsor for Shell Freedom Over Texas, because we see it as a big way to say thank you to our friends, our families, our neighbors, our community that literally depends on us to power their lives. And sometimes we deliver energy to vehicles, sometimes we deliver energy to people's homes. But tonight, we got the city powered up. We got them energized with the best fireworks that I've seen in my life and some amazing live music. So I just want to thank everyone for spending their 4th of July with us at Shell USA.
Absolutely. Well, thanks to both of you for signing off with us this evening.
We'll see you next year.
Okay. We'll be here for sure.
Yeah, and so, you know, it was a spectacular event, right? Not just the fireworks, but also all of the performances, as Travis just mentioned. Hey, we attended our first R&D party, Gina.
We did. We did. You know, I just love the fact that families come out here. It's multi-generational, and it really shows as I mentioned before, the tapestry of our community.
Sure.
So many different kinds of people from all corners of the world come together in Houston to make it their home, and we get a chance to celebrate the fact that we are free. We are free. It is not free. Freedom is not free, and we get a chance to celebrate that in a wonderful way.
And it was fantastic to see everybody just singing along and really, you know, getting together. And so, like the mayor said, let's do it again next year, shall we?
And we hope you'll be a part of it as well with us.
And that's what it is for us. Good night.
Conquer all the moon mountains when the cold makes you warm again. Only love is a broken heart. We've been through it all, road came through the storm again. Find the joy, let go of the past. Love invade your walls like a Trojan house again. Can't give up, won't give in. Find the strength from within. Ask yourself, can you lose my heart again? I know you're hurting, but baby, let my love set you free. I'll never let you fall.